कैसे हैं आप लोग? मैं हूं असर मावलीकर, कक्षा 9वीं का छात्र। So welcome people, this is Asar Mavlikar from class 9 of Kiddies Corner School, Higher Secondary School. We have made this video on the scholastic occasion of Teachers' Day. So let's start the main content of the video. So firstly we are presenting our Naman welcome speech. Naman, are you here?
Yes.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, coordinator ma'am, and all my dear respected teachers. First of all, happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Teachers are our second God after our parents. What to say about you all? You all are our inspirations and role models. So at the time of occasion of Teachers' Day, I want to dedicate a very short poem to all of you. I came into your class to learn and grow, but what has touched me most is the love you have shown. And I want to praise all the teachers for their efforts you all are making in the severe time. Teachers, thank you, and once again, happy Teachers' Day.
Nice welcome speech, Naman. So let's move on to our next entertainment. Let's move our next part of the video. So our Mr. Ram Singh is presenting a small शायरी. मेरा नाम है राम सिंह, मुझे पसंद नहीं है डांसिंग। मैं लिखता डायरी, मुझे पसंद है शायरी। आप ही से सीखा, आप ही से जाना, आप ही को हमने गुरु है ना। आप ही से सीखा, आप ही से जाना, आप ही को हमने गुरु है हमारा। सब कुछ सीखा हमने आपसे, कलम का मतलब आपसे ही जाना। गुरु तेरे उपकार का कैसे चुकाऊं मैं मोल, गुरु तेरे उपकार का कैसे चुकाऊं मैं मोल, ला कीमती धन भला गुरु मेरा अनमोल। ट्रेजर्स, बुद्धिमान को बुद्धि देती, अज्ञानी को ज्ञान, शिक्षा से ही बन सकता है मेरा देश महान। हर मोदी घर मोदी और राम सिंह। And now we are going to do mimicry.
Good morning, respected teachers, and happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Here we have prepared some mimicries of some of the teachers, so please see and enjoy, and please don't take it seriously. These mimicries are only for entertainment purpose, so please see and enjoy.
Good morning, students. How are you all? All are fine? Now, today I want to speak something to you. I came to know that many of you are not speaking in English. Children, see, it's compulsory to speak in English. Okay? And nowadays, some students are found eating pan parags. And from now onwards, if someone is found chewing gums or suparis, will be straight away given a TC. Okay? Thank you. Good morning, students. So today we are going to start subject-verb agreement. Before that, I want to say that many students are not paying attention to online classes. See children, all the teachers are giving their best to make the students understand, but most of them, I'm not saying all, but most of them are not attentive. This is for your benefit only, okay? So let us start with the topic subject-verb agreement. So subject-verb agreement means the subject and verb must agree in number. This means both need to be singular as well as it could be plural.
इस पाठ में लेखिका ने अपने जीवन के अनुभव के बारे में बताया है कि उनके परिवार में एक रानी थी और उसके बाद
नमो नमः। उपविश्य। तो कल हमने सुभाषितानी पाठ का एक श्लोक पढ़ लिया था। वो श्लोक है, अपूर्व कोऽपि कोशो वयम विद्यते तव भारती व्ययतो बुद्धि मायति क्षय मायति संचया। इस श्लोक का मैंने आपको कल अर्थ भी समझाया था और रीडिंग करके भी दिखाई थी। तो आज मुझे कोई ये श्लोक जो मैंने समझाया था उसका अर्थ बताना चाहेगा बस वो 2-3 बच्चे मुझे नहीं चाहिए जो रोज़ रोज़ वो ही बताते हैं, कोई और आज मुझे बताए। कोई नहीं बताना चाहेगा, किसी को नहीं पता। क्या बात है, आप संस्कृत आती नहीं है समझ में? क्या दिक्कत है? हमें बताएं आप। चलो अब अपना दूसरा श्लोक तैयार करते हैं, दूसरा श्लोक पढ़ते हैं। मणिना वल्यम वल्येन मणि, मणिना वल्येन विभाति करः, कविना च विभु विभुना च कवि, कविना विभुना च विभाति सभा। इसका कोई अर्थ, किसी को अर्थ समझ में आया? कोई मुझे समझा सकता है? मणिना का अर्थ है मणि, और कर का मतलब है हाथ, विभु राजा। अभी भी कोई नहीं बता पा रहा? चलो मैं ही बता देती हूँ। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है कि कंगन से, मणि से कंगन सुशोभित होते हैं, और कंगन से मणि सुशोभित होते हैं, और कंगन और मणि दोनों से हाथ सुशोभित होते हैं। ऐसे ही कवि राजा से सुशोभित होता है, और राजा कवि से शोभा पाता है, और कवि और राजा से सभा सुशोभित होती है। आहे, बात नहीं, क्लास के बीच में बात नहीं, डिस्टर्ब नहीं करो, शांति से पढ़ो, दूसरे को डिस्टर्ब मत करो। गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू, गुड मॉर्निंग। Oh hello backbenchers, back students, where are you? You don't have any etiquettes to wish the teacher and stand up. Sit all of you, sit down all of you. Now open your book. Yesterday we have completed what are the structures, what are the cells structures. Yesterday we have read, yesterday we have completed about the unicellular and multicellular organisms. So today we are stepping on our next topic, that is cell structural organization. So in this topic we will be reading three main topics, that is plasma membrane, nuclear and cytoplasm. Oh hello student, oh hello, where is your book? You are forgetting? Why don't you forget you? खाना तो बेटा बहुत अच्छे से याद रहता है, बुक लाना कैसे भूल गए? Now share with somebody. So we are starting with plasma membrane. What is plasma membrane? We have read in the previous classes also. Plasma membrane is the outermost covering of the cell that separates the content of the cell from its external environment. Plasma membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. Hey you, stand up. What is plasma membrane? You don't know anything. Your mind is not in your studies. You will be fail. Focus on your studies properly.
This was mimicry, and now we are presenting Naman फिर से for his experience with teachers.
Hello teachers, my name is Naman Gupta. I am from class 9. And first of all, happy Teachers Day to all of you. We hoped that you have liked our voice mimicry. Actually, the purpose of making this video is to thanks to all the teachers and to introduce to share some of the incidents with you all, which are linked to some of your teachers and which are important for me also. So firstly, I want to thanks to Principal Ma'am. My extreme thanks goes to Principal Ma'am for a great work and for a management of school very smoothly. So actually what happens, we all know that everyone had a short term goal and long term goal in their life. Everyone had. So I have also a short term goal that my school should be one of the best school of Gwalior MP. But when I came in the Kiddies Corner Higher Secondary School, Sheep Rilling Road. I felt that my dream cannot come true because of the condition of the school, because of the students of the school. So many people and rumors were also going there that this school is not best, this school is not good. So at that time I felt that my dream cannot be made. But when principal ma'am came in our school, first day I thought that what will happen I don't know. But as the time gone out, principal ma'am made several changes to our school which were very necessary. I would like to share one of the most extreme change, that is speaking English, to make the children speak English in the campus. Because at that time, students of Kiddies Corner School, even me also, used only were talking only in Hindi. They didn't use English at any time. But when principal ma'am made a strict rule that everyone should have to speak in English, should have to try in speaking English. Otherwise, the school will fine a charge also. Then I noticed some of the changes that students are trying to speak English. Students are trying to express their views in English. They are trying also. And even today also, I am speaking English in front of you all because of principal ma'am only, because of our pushing, because of a strict rule. So thank you ma'am. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Thank you. Now, I want to share one of the incident with Megha ma'am, our science teacher of school, Mrs. Megha ma'am. So ma'am, firstly, sorry for that day. And now, I want to share one incident which happened with me with Megha ma'am when I was in a 6th class. Once a day, there was a period of Megha ma'am in our class, and in her period, I was busy in gossiping with my friends. I think Megha ma'am remembers it. Megha ma'am knows. At that time, she was teaching us a chapter of, I think, plants. But I was busy in gossiping. I didn't hear anything. And I want to share one habit of me, that I have had a habit of just cramping question and answers and note down in a copy and write in an exam. And at that day, Megha ma'am asked me a question suddenly, that what are herbs, what are shrubs. But I didn't know anything because I have had a habit of cramping only. I didn't understand anything. Then Megha ma'am scolded us, that when we will come in 9th class, higher classes when we will come, we will face bigger challenge. Because in higher classes, there is no scope for only cramping and get good marks. We have to read a full book. There is no scope for a notebook. Notebook is nothing. We have to read a book only and we have to write answers. Then I changed my habit of cramping. I started learning from only book. I started understanding the teachers also. Then I got a good marks also. And if I didn't, I think today also, when I think those words of Megha ma'am also today, I am very happy that I have changed my habit. And if I didn't change that habit of cramping, maybe I would be a average student of 9th class today. So Megha ma'am, thank you very much for your cooperation. Thank you very much. Now my thanks goes to our literature teachers, Vasudha ma'am, Shakti ma'am and coordinator ma'am. The teachers are English, Sanskrit and Hindi. I would like to thank them all to introduce ourselves to our independent learning, independent thinking also, and because of them only we are able to write all the answers and able to speak different languages also. So thank you all the teachers, Vasudha ma'am, Shakti ma'am and coordinator ma'am. Thank you very much for your cooperation also. And now I would like to thank all the teachers of our school who are giving their extreme efforts in the severe time of Corona and for conducting our online classes. Thank you very much, teachers, and once again, Happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
So this was all for this occasion. So finally I am going to say Happy Teachers Day and have a good day.
कल मेरी साड़ी पर जूस गिरा था और मैं दोबारा नहाने गई थी। तुम चने कुकर में चढ़ाकर मेरे पास आई थी, तब रसोड़े में कौन था? वहाँ कौन था? मैं थी, तुम थी, मैं थी, तुम थी, कौन था? कौन था? कौन था? ये राशि